type of test. Number one, usually people want to find the right employees to work with them by giving a cognitive test. It could be in the form of questionnaire. It could be in the form of verbal communication. So what happened is this test, people or candidates were testing based on their cognitive skill. How do they respond using their knowledge, using their experience, somehow experience. So this is what we call cognitive test. And sometimes particular position require specific abilities. For example, if the company want to look for accountant, so maybe some of the tests will include numeracy arithmetic test, for example. Or maybe if the company want to advertise post for cyber security officer, for example, so they might include question or test on the cyber network and so on. Yeah? So cognitive skill. The second one is psychomotor. This psychomotor is a test which meant to evaluate person or candidate physical ability and skills, how they conduct particular machine, for example, psychomotor. And the third one is personality test. Personality test, there are many tests in personality. One of the popular one is Big Five. There is typo over there. It's not the sign of percentage. It's supposed to be number 5. So Big Five is one of the popular personality tests in which you can evaluate people based on 5 elements: extraversion, extrovert, agreeableness, openness, conscientiousness, and neuroticism, moody or not moody. So these are the 5 elements of Big Five personalities. There are other personality tests as well. The fourth one is interest. This is referring to occupational interest. How far, how deep, how passionate candidate is to a particular job that he applied. Is it because there is no other job, then he applied for the job, or is it because he really admire, he really want to do that particular job? So this is the testing to evaluate the interest of candidate to the job. Nowadays, because we have high numbers of unemployment, so most probably many positions being advertised, but because they see it as an opportunity. Achievement test is a test in which we give them some questionnaire and then we evaluate them based on the questionnaire. Maybe what happened is observation period in which all the candidates need to do something and the management will do the observation on the potentiality of the candidate. So this is more on achievement test. So we have 5 tests to be used in order for us to do selection: cognitive test, psychomotor, personality, interest, and achievement.